Like, subscribe, and get notified.
On Monday late night, a head-on collision took place between a bike and a car at Nanoda Kasarpal. As per sources, both parties were on high speed. The road was on an elevated hill, which made the commuters difficult to avoid the collision. The car was driven by a couple. When the driver saw the bike rider approaching him, he lost control of the vehicle and veered off into the bushes. The bike rider sustained major injuries and was later taken to hospital for medical treatment. Police have registered a case and further investigation going on.
Watch on Herald TV.